Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Proton VPN. If you're trying to find the best VPN for your PC or your system, then I'll show you the Proton VPN that you can use and it is wonderful. So first you have to go to a browser and then you have to search for Proton VPN. You will get this first link, click onto it and after that you will land onto its website. Once you're there, you can explore the website and get to know more about this specific VPN, like what sort of features and services it offers. Once you're done, you can go to download it. You can select different sort of system, like which system you have. Based on it, you can just simply download it. Then the downloading will just take a while. Once the downloading gets done, then you have to simply click onto it and after that the installation process will start. So first you have to select where you want to install it and there we have different features. If you don't want them you can just simply uncheck them, but if you're okay and you also want to install them you can go for it. And after that the installation will start. This installation will take around 1 to 2 minutes or maybe less. And once this installation gets done, then you will get to the next step. Now the installation is almost done. You have to simply create your account, or if you already have an account, then you have to simply sign in. After that it will take you to this page. Now what you have is you have different countries. From there you can select it or it will auto select any country and after that it will select the VPN from there. So you can click onto this option connect and after that it will connect you to the VPN. First it will find a location and once it find the right location it will connect the IP address to there. That means the VPN is turned on, and whenever you want to turn it on you can click on disconnect and after that it will get disconnected. So that's how you will be able to use Proton VPN. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.